Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the resolution of images on the MangaTOON application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Mind section on the lower right corner of the screen, and here go to the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen and find the resolution of image option and step on it. And here you can choose the HD or HD the option and select one and step on it, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.